In today's video, we're going to create a Gmail account, which will also give you access to Google services and YouTube using the Trust OTP website. The link to this website is available in the description box of this video. If you don't want to use your personal phone number, you can simply click the link in the description and get a number from this website. First of all, open the website from the link in the description. When the website loads, you will see many different services available on the homepage. Now go to the search bar and type Google or Gmail. As soon as you search, the Google service will appear in the list. After selecting the service, the next step is to choose the country. You can select any country depending on the type of number you want to use. For this example, I will select a United States number. Once the country is selected, you will see the Get Code button. Now simply click on the Get Code button. As soon as you click it, the website will instantly provide you with a phone number. Copy this number carefully because we will use it to create our Gmail account. Now open the Google account creation page and click on Create Account. Here you will need to enter your first name and last name. After that, choose a username for your Gmail account. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. Once these details are completed, click on Next to continue. On the next page, Google will ask you for a phone number for verification. Here you need to paste the number that you copied from the Trust OTP website. After entering the number, click on Next. Google will now send a verification code to that number. To get the code, go back to the Trust OTP website where you received the number. Wait for a few seconds, and the Google verification SMS will appear there. As you can see, the verification code is now visible on the website. Copy the verification code. Now go back to the Google verification page and paste the code. After entering the code, click on Verify. Once the verification is completed, you will be asked to complete some additional information like recovery email, date of birth, and gender. Fill in the required details and continue. After accepting Google's terms and conditions, your Gmail account will be successfully created. Now you can use this account to access Gmail, Google services, and also sign into YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. You can also join our Telegram community for updates and support. And if you want the next video on a topic of your choice, make sure to comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.